What's up, guys, and good morning. I am out for my morning walk. Peso rate is 55 even on the US dollar. Here's where we're at. Very familiar looking place here, but I'm not walking this way today. Towards Fields or down Fields Walking Street. And I'm not going to walk up Perimeter Road today. However, I am going to walk down the road here to the left. I don't know the name of the road. Been down it 5 million times. But it's the road that goes down into Hendersonville, down around, down towards Mountain View. Or no, sorry, Mountain View, Hendersonville and Kandi Towers down that way. Guys, this section right here, this area, do not recommend walking in this area at night. This is where my buddy got his cell phone stolen, right here in this area. I always take a jeepney. Hello. Oh, you're a police trainee?
Yes, sir.
How many years?
6 months.
Hello?
6 months only.
Oh, 6 months only?
Yeah.
All right, cool. How many years of college?
4 years.
4 years, and you've been 6 months now?
6 months of training, 6 months of field.
Okay, all right. How old are you? You're young, right? You're young. We don't talk about ages, right? You're young. Good job. Keep up the good work. Good job. Good retirement. Police trainees. What are you doing here?
Police visibility.
Huh?
Police visibility.
Visibility.
Yeah. Police presence.
Oh, show of force. We call it a show of force, but it's police visibility. All right, guys. Thank you, ladies. I hope they were ladies. One was. They were giggling. They were happy to talk. Good for them, though. I keep telling Bing do that. Caladeria. Hello. Lots of masarap food. Hi, buddy. Shout out. What's your shout out? You got a shout out? This is a shout out. Coconut guy here. So much here has gone up. Oh, hang on a second. No, I thought that was somebody. I was going to give them a shout out. That's for rent, commercial space, Bureau of Immigration Accreditation consultant on the 2nd floor. All right. Just reading a sign, that's all. Kimchi market. A lot has changed through here over the years. Place on the left there, that Western Union there, MoneyGram. I used to go in there. That was M Lawyer. I used to go in there to get money years ago. What's up, buddy? No, thank you. There's a cake place. Just gotta watch out for the little Rugrats. Shout out. Shout out, shout out. There's a Rugrats, you gotta watch them. Morning. Little market here. I think it's a little market. Yeah, a little market in here. Hello. Available stories in a barber shop in here. Boy, bad location, right? But he's got, looks like he has a customer sitting in here. 80 pesos for a haircut. Just like wandering around, seeing what's new, saying hello, getting some shout outs. Hello, shout out.
Hi guys.
A shout out. What's your name?
I'm Jean.
Who?
Jean.
Gene. What's your name?
Ray.
Nice to meet you. Shout out. Spicy Viet restaurant. They may open later on. There's a Travel Avenue, generic drugstore. Look at this place here. Naa Jai Restaurant. Naa Jai Restaurant. Opens at 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. So they got some late hours there. Well, that looks good. Braised pork, barbecue chicken legs, sweet and sour filet pork, braised fish, roast pork, fried pork with vegetables, scrambled eggs with tomato. Picture looks good. The food looks good in that picture. Let's put it that way, right? Tiger Hotel. I was told this is open now. You know what I'll do? What I'll do is I'll shoot in there and I'll ask if it's open. It's open, right? That cafe on top floor looks like it's closed, guys. That only opened up. I remember I did a live show from there, kind of during pandemic. But sad, looks like it's closed up already. Huh? That's a coffee place. And the door is closed and there's no lights on inside. Here's Tiger. Never stayed here. Always thought it was a cool looking building. Tiger Hotel open? Open for business now? All right, buddy, thank you. All right, so he says they're open. Winter Hotel on the right. They're open. There's cars in their parking lot. That's a small laundry place right there where that girl is standing. All right, so if you come here, you can definitely get your laundry done here for next to nothing. You just got to find one you trust. I heard horror stories where people, I took my laundry to this laundry place and they took my shirt, or they gypped me out of a pair of shorts, or this, or you just got to find the one you trust. Massage place, dental clinic. Like I said, I've driven by here and never paid attention to what's actually in some of these areas here. 7-Eleven here on the left. That's a salon right there. Like 7-Elevens are everywhere. This all appears to be apartments on the right. There's a for rent, a bachelor pad. I don't think it's necessarily in there. You have this Este Hotel. Este Hotel. They're open. What's up, buddy? Don't know anything about that place. There's a hotel here on the right. Hotel Oyo, OYO. Those are all apartments back through that gate. Kokomo's Sweet Hotel. This is not open. And I know people have stayed here at this place. But they didn't open this one. There is, wait, it says come on in, we're open. Guys, let me see. They open? They appear to be open. Oh, you guys open? You are open, okay. Didn't know. Thank you. Yes, they are open. My bad, they're open. A couple girls sitting in there. I mean, you look at the front of it here, it looks like there's nothing. Looks like it would be closed. No guard out or nothing, and yes, they are open. R&R Tattoo Studio. This has been here for a long time. I remember back 2012 coming through here, and I always see the tattoo shop here with their sign out. Wrap and rolls. Good morning. Shawarma, salad, cakes, milkshakes, wrap and rolls. That's a nice day. Someone said I need to give a weather report every day. I couldn't tell you how much, what Fahrenheit or whatever it is, as far as temperature wise. Let's put it this way. Low humidity, nice breeze. You can't beat that. There's a dental clinic here. What's up, guys? Little on the cloudy side. Here's your Kandi Palace. I watched Kandi Palace be built from ground zero all the way up. Then to your right's all your other Kandi places. Kandi Tower 3. I watched Kandi Tower 3 be built. Where are they building next? I don't know. I don't see any groundbreaking going on for them. I'm just going to walk down here to the end. There's old Kandi. They take up, oh Jesus, look at all that area they take up. Like, whole block, two, 3 blocks of Kandi Towers. Kandi Tower 1, Kandi Tower 3, Kandi Plaza. Alright guys, so I'm going to break into this video right here. This guy that's coming up on me right now, he's just one of these Angeles City tough guys. As he was coming towards me, I could hear him say Philly. He'd look right at me, made some comment to the effect about breaking the law and I need an ass kicking too. Which, okay, here's your shot. It's probably one of these guys that talk shit about me here in the city, which I don't care. Talk all you want, but there was your opportunity. There was your opportunity. And I turned and said something to him, and you guys will hear it, and he had nothing to say. Had nothing to say. Like I said, there's so many tough guys out there that'll hide behind their computer and say things. I've said this in the past. You got guys here that'll talk about me for whatever reason. You know, whether or not his wife doesn't know he's out, his wife doesn't know where he is, his girlfriend doesn't know where he's at, but that's not my problem, that's his problem. I've had people come up to me in the past and say, hey Philly, blur me out or don't put me on, and I've respected that. But this guy came by, threatened me, made a verbal threat to me about kicking my ass or making a comment about getting an ass kicking. At this point in the video, it's like, you know what? Well, you guys watch. You guys watch. You guys let me know what you hear him say. But I played it back now a couple times. It's something about breaking the law, which I'm not. So you don't know the law. And second of all, you made a verbal physical threat to me by saying about kicking my ass. But anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. What's that? Excuse me? What's wrong with that? Public place. See, there's an ass kicker right there. That guy right there. He talks shit, but keeps walking. He's one of these punks here. You got ran into first asshole. Tell me I can't vlog in a public place. Talking about kicking ass. Well, here was your chance, buddy. Here was your chance, tough guy. It was there for you, but you kept walking, and you're still walking, and you have a stick in your hand. Here's Kandi Palace right here. Back to what we're doing. There's big koi. Big koi fish right there, huh? pretty cool. I don't want to. The size of them koi. Love it. Sorry, I won't back down to another expat. I won't do it. I am not doing anything wrong. There's nothing wrong with me vlogging here. Simple as that. I'm not breaking any law. But some guys, they just want to be tough guys. So I say, man, watch. I'm telling you right now, man. Watch out for some of these expats here. And you think I'm kidding. I am not kidding. Some are just straight up assholes. Straight up jerks. Straight up tough guys. Like I said, bring your stick. It's the old saying, grab the bull by the horn, you better be ready to go for a ride. Development massage, 24 hours. Copa Cafe. I know, calm down, Philly. Calm down. Prime Asia Hotel. Never stayed in here either. This is open. That's a nice place right there. When I mean nice, it's nice from the outside. Like I said, I never stayed in there. And so I don't know what it's like in there. But I was told it's nice, right? So anyways, I'm just, right here is where I'm going to end my walk. Head down that way. Down that way is Dr. Martinez, my emeritus, my dentist on the left. So if you're looking for a dentist, come down the walk I just walked, go around the corner. She's down there on the left-hand side. So anyways, guys, I'm wrapping this one up. Yes, I'm staying calm. Like I said, I won't even get into it. Won't even get into it. So there was your chance, tough guy. You watch my videos, there's your chance. You missed out on it. So, all right, guys. With that being said, I'm going to wrap this one up. You guys have a nice day, because you know what? I know I will. Take care.